नमस्कार मंडळी, कसे आहात? मजेतच असाल अशी आशा करते. गोड पदार्थ म्हटले की तो कुणाला नाही आवडत, बऱ्यापैकी सर्वांना आवडतो. आणि त्यातल्या त्यात केक, पेस्ट्रीज म्हटले की प्रचंड आवडतात, विशेषतः लहान मुलांना खूप आवडतात. तर वेस्टर्न कंट्रीजमध्ये असाच एक पटकन नाश्त्याला बनवला जाणारा पदार्थ आणि तोही गोड, तो म्हणजे पॅनकेक. तर इथे एका कवीने म्युझिकच्या माध्यमातून खूप सुंदर पद्धतीने पॅनकेकची स्टोरी सांगितली आहे. तर पॅनकेक बनवल्यापासून त्याचा शेवट कसा होतो हे पाहण्यासाठी ही स्टोरी नक्की ऐका. आणि व्हिडिओ आवडला तर लाईक करा, मित्रमैत्रिणींसोबत शेअर करा. चॅनलला जर सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर पटकन सबस्क्राईब करून घ्या.
And this woman was very, very hungry. So she went into the kitchen and then opened up the pantry, and out of the pantry she got some eggs and some milk and some flour, and then she mixed it all up until she had a great big batch of pancake batter. And she got a great big frying pan on top of the stove, melted some delicious golden butter in it, and then poured the batter in to make a delicious pancake. She watched it as it started to brown and become crispy. The smell was fantastic. She flipped the pancake, and it got better and better, bigger and more golden. The smell, it wafted through the kitchen, through the house, until finally came to the next room where her wife was sitting reading a book, and her wife smelled and went, "Ooh, that smells good." So she went to the kitchen and said, "My dear wife, please will you give me that pancake?" And the woman said, "No, it's my pancake." And the wife said, "Please." And the wife said, "No, it's my pancake. I'm the one who's hungry. I made myself some food. Get yourself some food." But her wife said, "Please." And the woman said, "No, no, no. The first pancake is always the most trouble. You can have the second or the third." But the wife said, "Please." Well, the woman and her wife were arguing over who was going to have the pancake so much that they stopped paying attention to what was going on in the frying pan. And they didn't notice as the pancake grew two stodgy legs, two buttery brown eyes, a bunch of freckles, and a mischievous smile, and then jumped out of the frying pan. And then, as they stared at this walking, talking pancake, the pancake said, "Well, you can't eat me, no one can. I jumped right out of the frying pan and I ran away from you and your wife, it's true. Yes, I ran away from you." And the pancake ran out of the kitchen, out the corridor, out of the house, down the hill as fast as could be. The woman and her wife chased after them, but the pancake was just too fast. They gave up and went home to have some toast. Well, the pancake kept running and running and running on its two stodgy legs until it came across a wolf. And the wolf said, "Oh, that is a delicious looking pancake. Oh, pancake, please slow down so I can eat you up." And the pancake said, "Well, you can't eat me, no one can. I jumped right out of the frying pan and I ran away from the woman and her wife, it's true. And I ran away from you." And the pancake ran down the road as quick as could be on its stodgy legs. The wolf chased in hot pursuit, but the wolf ended up just huffing and puffing itself out. The pancake was just too fast. Well, the pancake kept running and running and running until it came across a hare. And the hare was very skittish. A bit like a giant rabbit. Yes, it was very skittish. It went, "Oh, what's that? Oh, is it an ogre? Oh, is it a bear? Oh, is it my great aunt Murgatroyd? Oh, no, 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 it's a pancake. Oh, I do love pancakes. Pancake, please slow down. I would love to eat you up." But the pancake said, "Well, you can't eat me, no one can. I jumped right out of the frying pan and I ran away from the woman and her wife and the howling wolf, it's true. And I ran away from you." Well, the hare ran after the pancake as fast as could be. Hares can run at 80 kilometers per hour, but even that would not catch up to this speedy runaway pancake. The hare had to go home very disappointed. The pancake kept running and running and running and running and running and running until with its buttery brown eyes it came across a goat. And the goat went, "Meh, meh, meh, go. My, that's a pancake. Pancake, please slow down. I would love to eat you up." But the pancake said, "Well, you can't eat me, no one can. I jumped right out of the frying pan and I ran away from the woman and her wife and the howling wolf and the skittish hare, it's true. And I ran away from you." Well, the Don't chase after the pancake as fast as it can be, clipping and plopping and tripping and tropping its little hooves, but it just couldn't catch up to the runaway pancake. The pancake kept running and 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 running until they came across a cow. And the cow went, moo, moo, looky there, that's a pancake. I haven't had a pancake for a very long time. It was a very old cow. Maybe I had a pancake last year. No, maybe it was the year before that. No, it was the year before that. Or the year before that. Well, it doesn't really matter. It looks delicious. Pancake, pancake, please slow down. I want to eat you up. But the pancake said, well, you can't eat me, no one can. I jumped right out of the frying pan and I ran away from the woman and her wife and the howling wolf and the frisky hare and the jumping goat, it's true. And I'll run away from you. And the pancake ran down the road as quick as could be, and the cow, well, she couldn't be bothered with that nonsense. She sat and ate some grass, but the pancake didn't know, so get running and running down the road as fast as could be until finally it came across a pigsty. There was a big, fat, muddy pig, and the pig said, oink, oink, oh, what's that? Oh, it smells good. It looks good. Oh, that's a pancake. Oi, pancake, please slow down. I want to eat you up. But the pancake said, well, you can't eat me, no one can. I jumped right out of the frying pan and I ran away from the woman and her wife and the howling wolf and the frisky hare and the jumping colt and the very old cow, it's true. And I'll run away from you. Wait, said the pig. I didn't quite hear that. Mud in my ears. Could you say that again? And then Pancake said, well, you can't eat me, no one can. I jumped right out of the frying pan and I ran away from the woman and her wife and the howling wolf and the frisky hare and the jumping goat and the very old cow, it's true. And I'll run away from you. Wait! Sorry, my ears are very small. Oink, oink, oink. Could you step a bit closer? I think you said something about, please, Mr. Pig, eat me up. I would love that a lot. And what do you think the pancake said? No! So it came up very, very close to the pig's snout. In fact, it stood on the pig's snout and then said very loudly into the pig's ears, well, you can't eat me, no one can. I jumped right out of the frying pan and I ran away from the woman and her wife and the howling wolf and the frisky hare and the jumping goat and the very old cow, it's true. And I'll run away from you. Oh, you think so? Said the pig. No, no, no. Gulp! Delicious! And that was the end of the pancake. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
नेहमीप्रमाणे व्हिडिओ पाहिल्याबद्दल मंडळ आभारी आहे. लवकरच भेटू नवीन व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत टाटा, बाय अँड टेक केअर.